Welcome back. Today we are going to take a tour of this kind of affordable, family-friendly travel trailer. So let's get right to it. First thing we need to look at with this trailer, let's start it right up here on the tongue. It comes with your power front jack, which is always a nice thing. That way you aren't out here cranking. Your two propane tanks, and then spots for two batteries back here. Then coming around this side, this is the 280 unit, so it's going to be almost 30 feet long, so it's a pretty large unit. And it looks like, so this trailer has a payload capacity of 1,535 pounds, and the gross weight's about 7,710. As we come down the side, it has a spot for the Furrion solar charger, so you can grab yourself a Lion Energy solar panel and plug it right in and charge from that. Oh, that one's locked. Guess we'll be opening that one. It does have tinted windows to help block out some of that sun. The side construction is that Aztel that a lot of units are going to, and from what I've read and heard, it's holding up pretty good. Also, sorry about the wind. It's kind of howling and cold today. One thing I'm really liking that I'm seeing on a lot of units, and I wish we had it on ours, are these little flipper things. As your slide goes in and out, it flips this, so that way your seal doesn't get all bunched up and ripped and torn and all that sort of stuff. So nice little addition right there. Fairly large slide. The slide out is a rack and pinion system from what I can see, which is really nice. I prefer the rack and pinion to the cable or Schwintek or any of those, so that's nice. Has Trailer King tires. With most RVs, I kind of always recommend swapping out the tires as soon as you get it, but to each their own. Over here we have all your hookups, satellite cable, your city water connections, all that stuff. Hot water heater right here. Your windows for your bunkhouse back here, so that way the people in the bunkhouse aren't in a dark cave. They can actually have some light. It has rear stabilizer jacks that are power, so you just push on these back here. Really nice feature. And then, I don't know if this is open or not, but oh, has an outdoor kitchen. Great little unit. Has the sink. Sink and cooktop right here, with a little fridge. When you're with the whole family, sometimes you need that extra space to keep some drinks out here, to do some cooking when everybody's inside the trailer. So, great little addition right there. Another thing I really like is that these doors are held up magnetically. I hate the little hydraulic strut things. Your door is always sticking out, you hit your head on it, you bump into it. It's nice to get these doors up out of the way. Along the side here, we have some outdoor speakers and a nice awning. It comes with a 3-year structural warranty, which is nice because some units only come with 1 year. It says it has the enclosed underbelly, so it can help you, when you're out in the cold weather a little bit more. Right up front here, a lot of these tongue pull trailers don't have a lot of extra storage, but this one does. Really nice pass-through storage. And you have your power stabilizer jacks up front as well.
So coming in on the interior of this trailer, it's got a really nice light color to it. It's not dark and it's not weighing down on you. So it's very nice to have this light colored palette in the walls and in the cabinetry as well. Above the couch, quite a bit more storage here. And I like that these cabinets go up because nothing's gonna fall out of them. They're pretty tough hits. So now covering the kitchen side, it's got a nice fridge here. Good size, really. Fridge and freezer here. Notice that this is more of a range style oven, which is quite nice. And it does have a actual oven below. Little, but if you like cooking in ovens, it is there for you. Looking above the range, we do have, let's see, it's just a regular microwave. I'm not seeing convection settings on it. But decent size. Continuing on with these upper cabinets, more storage, dishes, whatever may need. Down to the sink here, looks like a very nice big sink. Not too deep, but you know, you don't need anything too big. The finish in this trailer is this nice matte black, which is something new they are kind of switching to these last few years. So coming over here, there's a couple of very nice drawers. This top one you can tell is for your silverware, and it's got some dividers in it. So these are quite nice, like all your kitchen supplies. If you're into having spices, there's a nice little spice storage there. And below here, very, very deep. This goes clear to the back wall. So if you need a bunch of storage back there, you've got it. Next to the bunkhouse here, there is storage. It is fairly deep. Oh, deeper than I thought. So that gives you food pantry, excess storage, whatever need be. I'm seeing that with all the living space that they did have to compromise somewhere. And I think that's the bathroom. It's just a very nice little cozy bathroom. However, it does have a tub, so if you do need to do a wash down on kids, pets, you do have that nice wash space. This bathroom does have a little bit of storage, which is nice, but a very nice thing is a towel rack. And most RV restrooms do not have a place to hang your towels. We mentioned in the beginning that this is a great family unit, and looking at the layout, it will be. Starting off, the sofa is a hide-a-bed couch. Coming behind me is the kitchen dinette, which is actually a really decent size. This will break down into another bed for the family. And continuing on back, there are a couple of bunk beds as well. So for those who don't know what a bunk room is, well, it's basically bunk beds. It's got 3 places for sleeping, and this probably breaks down as well into a 4th. So this room is great for children to come in, play, color, whatever they need to do. There's also storage for them as well, so that's super nice for kids to have extra storage for them, maybe clothes or toys. There's also a little more storage right here behind our kitchen. For me in this space, it is a little low, but the nice thing is this one will lift up and will give you a little more headspace. So realistically, you could sleep 4 kids or more if they're really little. So focusing on the front of the trailer now, you can obviously see here is our TV console, kind of a divider as well from the master into the main living. It does have this option of reversing your TV, so if you're being a little selfish at night, catching up on a few things, you can flip this around and watch it in bed. Also in this TV stand, there are some nice cabinets here. Something I noticed on the bottom of this is there's this nice little space right here. I was thinking pet bowls, or you can stash your shoes right there. I know in ours, we're always kicking around shoes. So that's actually a nice little storage area. Coming into the master right here, you've got your sliding doors to give you your privacy. Cupboard space on the sides. overhead cabinet space as well. Looking at the size of this mattress, I'm guessing an RV queen. That's kind of standard. Overall, it's a great little space. It is a little tight, but you know, if you're working with a family, you kind of sacrifice the master for other space. Overall, this unit is quite a nice little unit. It's got some beautiful features to it, lots of functionality. If you're a family, this is a unit to look at. You could potentially sleep 8 people if you're looking for those larger families. Starting out retail price, MSRP, is around $38,000. Thank you again, guys, for catching us today at John Junkies. Of course, remember to like and do the subscribes. We appreciate it. And above all, guys, enjoy your weekend.